Is Roblox stuck on configuring Roblox? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, restart your PC or device. Then relaunch Roblox. Sometimes it's just a temporary cache issue. If it's still stuck, clear the Roblox cache. On Windows, press Windows plus R and then type %local app data %. Press OK. Now find the Roblox folder, go inside it, and delete the installer and versions folders. Next, check your internet connection. A weak, unstable connection can freeze the installer. Switch to a wired connection or reset your router for better stability. If that doesn't work, disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Security software can sometimes block Roblox from completing installation. Also, make sure you have the latest version of Roblox by downloading it directly from the official site. If you're on Mac, uninstall Roblox completely, restart, and reinstall the latest client. On mobile, clear app data or reinstall Roblox from the App Store or Google Play. And that's it. With these steps, you can fix Roblox being stuck on configuring Roblox and get back to gaming smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.